Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Language with Nisa. Today we are going to learn something about the useful words which is going to be very important for the people who are just new in Israel, and of course the people who are living in Israel and don't know the Hebrew very well. And this video is for you all. So let's start. Straight, yasar. First of all I will say in English and then later in Hebrew. Straight, yasar. Straight, yasar. Straight, yashar. Right, yamina. Right, yamina. Right, yamina. Right, yamina. Left, shmola. Left, shmola. Left, shmola. Far, rakhok. Far, rakhok. Far, rakhok. Far, rakhok. Far, rakhok. Near, karov. Near, karov. Near, karov. Near, karov. Corner, pina. Corner, pina. Corner, pina. Square, kikar. Square, kikar. Square, kikar. Around, vejor. Around, vejor. Around, vejor. Place, makom. Place, makom. Place, makom. Place, makom. Place, makom. City, markaz. City, markaz. City, markaz. City, markaz. Chic, khole. Chic, khole. Sick, khole. Polish, mistara. Polish, mistara. Polish, mistara. Danger, mesukan. Danger, mesukan. Danger, mesukan. Ambulance, ambulance. Ambulance, ambulance. Ambulance, ambulance. Fire, ish. Fire, ish. Fire, is. Thief, ganav. Thief, ganav. Thief, ganav. Rape, ones. Rape, ones. Rape, ones. Embassy, khagrirut. Embassy, khagrirut. Embassy, khagrirut. Accident, tuna. Accident, tuna. Accident, tuna. Alert, briut. Alert, briut. Alert, briut. Country, erase. Country, erase. Country, erase. Street, rakhov. Street, rakhov. Street, rakhov. Street, rakhov. Hill, giva. Hill, giva. Hill, giva. Mountain, har. Mountain, har. Mountain, har. River, nahar. River, nahar. River, nahar. Village, kafa. Village, kafa. Village, kafa. Town, har. Town, har. Bridge, gesher. Bridge, gesher. Bridge, gesher. Yam, sea. Yam, sea. Yam, sea. Yam, sea. Agriculture, khaklaut. Agriculture, khaklaut. Agriculture, khaklaut. Farmer, ikar. Farmer, ikar. Farmer, ikar. Picking, hatif. Picking, hatif. Picking, hatif. Grass, asmi. Asbi. Asbim. Asbim. Grass, asbim. Grass, asbim. Tree, h. Tree, h. Pipe, chinor. Pipe, chinor. Pipe, chinor. Flowers, prahims. Flower, prahim. Flower, prahim. Flower, prahim. Let's have some sentences with these words also. So let's start. Straight. Straight means yasar, as I told you before. Straight means SR, and we can make some sentence with SR. SR. Ani chirkha le lekhetle SR. I need to go to straight. Ani chirkha le lekhetle SR. I need to go straight. In English we can say like this. Right. I need to go to right. I need to go to right. Ani chirkha le lekhetle right side. Ani chirkha le lekhetle right side means ani chirkha le lekhetle yamina means I need to go to right side. Left. Left. Left means, as I told you before, smola. Smola. My hand in left side is painful. Yad cheli smola koevli. Yad cheli smola koevli. Far. Rakhok. It's too far. Je rakhok mod. It's too far. Je rakhok mod. Near. I live near here. I live near. אני גרה קרוב. Near means קרוב. אני גרה קרוב. Corner, פינה. See in the corner. תסתכלי בבקשה בפינה. See in the corner, please. תסתכלי בבקשה בפינה. Square, כיכר. You have to go around square. You have to go square. את צריכה ללכת לכיכר. Around, באזור. I need to go to around here. אני צריכה ללכת באזור. אני צריכה ללכת באזור. Place. Where is the place? איפה המקום? Where is the place? איפה המקום? City. They live in city. הם גרים באזור. סליחה, במרכז. הם גרים במרכז. They live in city. הם גרים במרכז. Sick. I'm so sick. אני חולה מאוד. I am sick. אני חולה. אני חולה. If you are girl, you can say I am חולה. If you are boy, then you can say אני חולה in Hebrew. Foolish. I am afraid of foolish. אני פוחדת מהמסתרה. I am afraid of foolish. If you can say like this, then in Hebrew we can say אני פוחדת מהמסתרה. Afraid means פוחדת, okay? אני פוחדת מהמסתרה. It's danger here. מסוכן פה. It's danger here. זה מסוכן פה. Ambulance. I need to order ambulance. I need to call ambulance. אני צריכה לצלצל לאמבולנס. אני צריכה לצלצל לאמבולנס in Hebrew. Fire. Here is fire. פה יש. יש פה יש. יש means fire in Hebrew. Thief. אתמול, yesterday, there was thief in my home. Yesterday, there was thief in my home. אתמול, היה גנב בבית שלי. אתמול היה גנב בבית שלי. בבית שלי. Rape is not good. אונס זה לא טוב. Rape is not good. אונס זה לא טוב. Embassy. I need to go to embassy. אני צריכה ללכת לשגרירות. שגרירות, סליחה, שגרירות. אני צריכה ללכת לשגרירות. Accident. I had accident. היה לי תאונה. I had accident. היה לי תאונה. Country. I love my country. אני אוהבת את הארץ שלי. I love my country. אני אוהבת את הארץ שלי. Hill is beautiful. גבעה זה יפה. גבעה זה יפה. Village. I love to live in village. אני אוהבת לגר בכפר. אני אוהבת לגור בכפר. Town. Town is very far from here. Town is very far from here. הר זה רחוק מפה. הר זה רחוק מפה. You need to cross the bridge. את צריכה לעבור את הגשר. את צריכה לעבור את הגשר. You need to cross the bridge. ים means sea. Sea is beautiful. ים זה יפה. ים זה יפה. ים זה יפה. Okay. This much for today. Thank you so much everyone. שיהיה לכם יום טוב. להתראות. שנה טובה.